It's just my way of giving back something to the public that's been so good to me. The
Pero
business.
napakabuo. You lost weight. Hindi ba? Mahirap?
Mahirap po magpapayat, pero disiplina lang talaga eh. I was so tired of not being able to wear the kind of clothes I wanted to wear. Nahihiya ako lumabas dahil baka may mga manibago na, ba't naman ganyan ang itsura niya ngayon? Yung gano'n na, although hindi ako na-affect pag sinasabing taba naman niya, pag may nagsabi, taba mo raw, totoo naman? Ganun ako, totoo
Paano mo
naman
napapayag si Kiko na gumawa ng pelikula? Because for a while, and this is with Richard Gomez. Oo. Paano mo napapayag si
Kasi
Kiko?
Kiko is because he's an intelligent man, and you know, we're married and we trust each other and we love each other. We've been together almost 4 years. We've been through a lot. We bonded in Boston. You know what I mean? Ano siya, yung reasonable. I did my duties as a wife. I waited to have a child. I tried my best. I didn't do anything except for my TV show for almost, mag-1 year na yung show next month. Tapos, add pa the 1 year in Boston, di ba?
But was there a time na parang ayaw niya gumawa ka ng pelikula?
Siguro nung earlier part, kasi kahit naman ako ayoko eh.
Okay.
Because my priority was really to have a child. Pero since natatagalan, feeling ko, let's not push it if the Lord is not really giving it at this time. Hindi kasi ibig sabihin ko 5 taon bago ako bigyan ng Panginoon ng anak, 5 taon nakangangalang ako sa bahay. Ang alam din ng asawa ko na mas maligaya akong tao, mas mabuti akong asawa, mas mabuti akong ina, pag maligaya ako. Ang kinaliligaya ko yung trabaho ko rin. Yun lang naman ang meron ako.
Very well said. Ang album mo, it's very friendly.
Yes!
Napaka-friendly. You can relax and you can fall in love.
That's
You know
exactly
what I mean?
what I wanted.
Pag-usapan natin, alam mo dun sa Awiting Starlight, yung bonus cut, hindi ko ma-distinguish kung alin ang boses ni Casey at alin yung boses mo.
You know, everybody,
very talented.
Thank you. Everybody that knows us, even my backup singers, my vocal coach, Olive Isidro, kapatid ni
Sultana.
Agot. Si Sultana.
Tawag ko dyan si Sultana.
Alam, she saw Casey from the time magkaibigan si Casey at yung anak
Okay.
niya, sabay lumaki. Alam niya ang boses siya rin pag nag-guest noon na surprise sa Sharon, nung tabachichay pa siya, maliit pa siya. Alam ni Olive, pero hindi niya nakilala yung timbre. Pareho daw kaming timbre.
Gusto ko yung kahit kailan din.
Thank you. That's my favorite actually in
Talaga?
the whole album.
Sharon, totoo bang when your baby, nung hindi natuloy, the unborn child, totoo bang gumawa ng isang awitin si Casey?
Gumawa siya, pero personal niya yun eh. Mahal niya,
Pinakita niya sa'yo?
Oo. But Casey is very deep.
Napakalalim
Ibang isip.
daw nga ang
Oo.
bata.
Nung 14 ako, hindi ako ganun
You remember the lyrics of the songs? Of the song that she wrote?
Parang something. Sabi niya, Mama, she actually told me about it. Ayaw niya ipakita lahat. Sabi niya sa akin, Mama, sabi ko, what's it about, Iha? And then she said, parang, why'd you have to go? Ganyan. Something like that for her baby brother or sister daw. Kasi nakita niya yung pain ko.
At may naisulat din siyang awitin on Mother's Day? Ibinigay ba niya
Marami
sa'yo?
siyang gano'n. Poem actually yung binigay
How
niya
was
sa
that? How does it go, if you remember the poem?
Meron pa siyang yung mga times na nagno-naughty siya. I'm sorry for all the ganito I've caused you. Parang, I hope you don't think I've changed. I hope ganito. Kasi lumalaki na siya. Syempre bilang nanay, insecure ako kasi lumalaki na yung anak ko. Tama, naiiyak ako. Kasi alam mo, for 9 years, you and me against the world, kaming dalawa eh. At kaming dalawa lang. So, bilang nanay, yung lumalaki na siya, dumaan ako dun eh. So I know she's starting to spread her wings. It scares me. You know,
Na
to
isang
lose...
araw, iiwanan ka rin.
No, to lose a relationship. The relationship I have with her. But, I know she loves me. I love her. Ano ba yan? Kaumpisa lang.
Oo nga eh.
Honey, penging tissue, honey.
Sharon,
Please.
pag-usapan natin ang mga leksyon sa buhay
Oo.
na maaaring
Thank you.
maituro mo.
Oo.
Okay lang makita si Sharon ang umiiyak. Mga leksyon na maaaring maituro mo sa iyong anak. Halimbawa, pagdating sa pag-ibig, anong iiwanan mong leksyon para kay Casey?
Huwag ka agad-agad maniniwala na ang pagmamahal forever. Dapat hindi kasi pagmamahal lang eh. In a relationship, you have to really hit it off. Yung magkasundo kayo, you have the same values. Kasi mahirap i-maintain ang isang relationship kung ang puhunan mo, pagmamahal lang. Although it's the most important
Dapat holistic,
ingredient.
buo.
Holistic, oo. Kaya hindi yung kaya ko yan, titiisin ko lang kasi mahal ko, nawawala yun eh.
Pero karamihan ng bata kasi nabubulag talaga, lalo na pag unang pag-ibig.
Sinasabi ko na nangyari sa akin yun, anak,
Correct.
I loved your father, pero akala namin forever. You never, kunyari ako pinalaki ako na matino yung pagpapalaki sa akin ng mga magulang ko. Lahat ng mali ko, ako may mali doon. Walang